It was strange the day Sharky woke up and decided he wanted to be a Broadway star. Although it wasn't as strange as the time he woke up and decided he wanted to be a blimp pilot. But that's another story.
Oh, Sharky, I'll be so worried about you in the big city. But who am I to stand in the way of a little dog's dreams of Broadway stardom? And besides, you promised to be home in time for dinner. Well, then, I guess this is goodbye.
Don't worry, Sharky. I'll load up your luggage for you. Kumbaya, our own little Sharky off to the Great White Way, Broadway, to become a singing and dancing sensation. The footlights, the glamour, the magic, the joy, the heartbreak, the laughter, the tears, the train is gone.
How could I? When will I? Why can't I get rid of Eek? It's not right with all my might. I must bite him next week. Eek's a cat, no more than that. He's a cat who really bugs me. Want to squish his head, I'm seeing red. Oh, one day from Eek, I will be free. He's a bad dream, all purple and dumb. How I like to crush him under my thumb. But for now, don't have a cow. I can just bite him next week. He's a cat, no more than that. He's a cat who really bugs me.
Well, this is it. It's a bargain, really, especially if you're only renting for the day. Cockroaches? Nah, no problems with cockroaches. Never seen one, not one, never.
Hello. Boy, the big city can be cruel. Its lessons, harsh ones.
Hey, where's my flower pot? Someone stole my flower pot. This city can be so cruel.
Yes, sir, Annabelle. If there's anyone who can make it in the big city, it's Sharky. But just in case you're still troubled, how about a treat to take your mind off your unfounded worries? Come on!
Oh, Eek.
Yes, sir, Annabelle. A high-caloric treat is just the thing you need to take your mind off your troubles. And, hey, maybe they're closed or something. Where is everybody? Hello, Annabelle. Something tells me this isn't any ice cream store after all. Meanwhile, to earn a living during his one-day stay in New York, Sharky got a job driving a cab. He saw some crazy stuff driving that hack.
I do love you, Jacques, but you're a tuna fisherman. I'm a dolphin. Don't you see? This is so wrong.
Just remain calm and stay with the story. They cannot pin a thing on us.
It was hard work, and Sharky wondered after a few hours in New York if he'd ever get his show business break. And then, on Sharky's last spare of the night, something incredible happened. Actually, something incredible Elmo happened.
Hey, driver, just stop here. I just want you to park here. No, keep the meter running. You see that? You see that up there? Up there in that window, see? That's my wife. No, wait. Here's the best part. The part that kills me. There, you see that? How do you like that? It's the strangest thing. Look at that. You see why I just want to park here, huh, do you? She's talking to a hand puppet. Would you want to go home to that? That woman is one sandwich short of a picnic, pal, I'll tell you. And I thought producing Broadway musicals was crazy. Well, what do you know? An actor who also has a job driving a cab? I like your spunk. Meet me at this address tomorrow, and you can show me what you've got.
Now with our missing battery component finally intact, our death ray is complete, and we can proceed with our plan to destroy Earth. And its bloated purple Earthlings' meddlesome days are over. Now I've got you.
Oh no, Zoltar. I'm not falling for that old pit of bugs trick again. Nice try, Zoltar. You know, there's an old saying. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, and, shame on the monkeys who touched the, horse they rode in on, or is it... Bugs! Ah, get him up! Get him up!
Now let's get busy. Destroy that filthy blue planet.
Now, little puppy, all you gotta do is show me you can hit this high note, and the part is yours.
Wait, Zoltar!
Guard, seize him.
But why, Zoltar? Why would you want to destroy such a beautiful planet as Earth? A planet that's brought us such wonderful things as bombs and orchids and Gilda Radner in New Orleans and Ernie Banks, Cecilia Bartoli, koala bears, Eddie Van Halen, Canadian hockey, Zuzu's pedals, Keith Moon, Aretha Franklin, the Special Olympics, and those great Aerosmith videos starring Alicia Silverstone.
Silence! It is of no consequence how you view your pathetic Earth. To us, Earth is simply an obstruction in the path of our new Zoltarian super skyway. The Howard Johnson's goes here. We're thinking of planting chrysanthemums in the center divider, and we're still debating where to put the toll station.
But Zoltar, couldn't you just go around Earth? See? It would be a shorter distance, and you could save fuel, and space folks passing through could stop by and pay a visit to Earth.
You must understand, we bought this death ray to destroy Earth on sale, and therefore can't possibly get a refund. Therefore, we must use it. Proceed.
I've got to do something.
Stop them!
Oh man, they got another one.
What's happening?
There appears to be a high-frequency sonic disturbance emanating from Earth. It's wreaking havoc with our guidance system. You know how sensitive the system is.
Nobody likes me. I'm just fat, stupid. Why do I even try?
We're going down!
This way, Annabelle!
Oh, Hillary, it happened again.
Well, little puppy, that's a some note. You really can belt. I want you to open in tonight's show. You're going to be a sensation, a huge star. You're gonna bring the house down.
I hope there wasn't any musicals planning on opening there. Sharky, how's the Broadway star thing going? Something tells me this was a bad thing. Oh, God, it hurts!
You know Mom's never gonna let us keep them, Ryan. what about Dad's allergies?
Look, Wade, they'll just have to deal with it. We're the only kids on the block who don't have a pet. Now, help me pull!
Ugh, where will this end? Ring, ring. Pick up the white courtesy phone, please. $100 for one glass of lemonade? Tell me you're joking, cop.
You obviously have no business sense, Vanna. You fail to realize that I only have to sell one glass and I'm rich.
Uh-huh. And just who exactly do you think is going to spend $100 for one glass of lemonade?
I've had some nibbles. Potential customers slow down. Hey, look. I'll be back.
Why do I waste my time? Bye-bye.
Hi, cop. Hi, Vanna.
Oh, thank the maker. Humans! Oh, no! What's this? Oh, he's so cute! You are just a nonny!
We found him at the pound. It's really overcrowded and he needed a home.
Well, sure, they have to make room for Cop. Oh, I want him!
Sorry, Vanna, we saw him first. But you can visit him anytime you want.
I thought your dad has allergies. I thought you couldn't have a pet.
We're not going to tell him right away. If he doesn't see it, it can't hurt him. I mean, maybe his allergies are, you know, psychic,
psychophantic, psychorealiac, psychoromantic, cyrillic, cycle, bicycle, bicoastal.
Psychosomatic.
Psychosomatic?
Psychosomatic means that his allergies could be all in his head. But what if they're not?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Well, gazootide, honey.
Oh, thanks, Sweet Pea. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's as if I must touch a dog or something. Oh.
A dog, huh?
Or a cat, some kind of animal.
Animal? Here? That's weird.
Oh,
No! Make it stop!
Yay! We're gonna play dress up!
We're never gonna have a pet.
Aw, come on. There's gotta be some pet Dad's not allergic to.
Daddy, look what I found in the garbage can! That cat stinks. Boys, when you clean up that clutter in your room, you can go outside and play.
You're right, Wade. We are never gonna have a pet.
Oh, well. We've always got each other and our clutter.
Well, that's it. Hey, you wanna go press our noses against the pet store window again?
Nah, let's go to the park and watch other people walk their dogs.
Ouch! Ooh, I hate when that happens.
What is it, Ryan?
Oh, it's just... It's
what, Ryan?
It's called...
Hey!
Static
Quit it, Ryan!
electricity!
Ah!
And static electricity can be very, very dangerous if it were ever to fall into the wrong hands.
What are you gonna do?
I'm afraid it's best that I don't tell you, my good man. The answer might shock you!
Ryan, what is it?
It's that stuff. You know, the clutter from under the bed. Somehow, the static electricity brought it to life.
It's coming this way. I think it's going to eat us.
Don't make any sudden moves, Wade. Maybe it'll leave us alone.
I swear, Ryan, the next time Mom tells us to clean our room, we've got to listen to her. Hey, come on! Cut it out!
Leave my brother alone! Yeah! Cut it out, you big clutter! Hey!
Tails.
Rats. Well, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'm waiting. This should be very entertaining.
Mom, I swear it was the pile,
It's despicable. We were just cleaning it up. I mean, we thought some music, you know, would make the job a little easier. You know, that whistle while you work and all that.
Yeah, and then we slipped and fell on this
pillow.
Uh-huh. Listen, guys, I know you're very unhappy about the pet thing, but being upset about an authority figure's decision is no excuse to tear your house apart. Unless, of course, you live in L.A. Now, please clean up this room. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, are you in there?
Maybe we just imagined it, Ryan.
What's wrong, honey?
Oh, it's this town. How could I edit a newspaper in a town so dull nothing interesting ever happens? Ever.
It's always fun till someone gets hurt.
There you are. Oh, no, little mister. The fun isn't out there. It's in here.
Who am I kidding? Maybe Vanna's right. Who'd ever buy lemonade for $100 a glass? I must be some kind of jerk. I should have listened to my gut and gone for that $100 a worm bait stand.
Young man, I'm positively parched. I'll gladly pay your ridiculous price.
What a good dog. Oh, you were so thirsty.
Why? Wait, you Klutter! That's our sister! It's our new pet!